Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix error on GTU 5 0xc000007b. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to make sure that your computer operating system is fully updated, and to check that you just need to write check for updates on search, and then press check for updates button. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, you need to do the same thing with your GPU drivers. Go to device manager and then go to display adapters here, right click here on your GPU, update driver, search automatically for drivers, and if there is drivers that you need to download and install, please do so and update your GPU. And if this doesn't work, then what you need to do here is to open up your client where you got GTU 5, right click on it, go to properties, installed files, and browse. And once you on browse here, then you need to look for GTU 5 exe file, right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode here, and select Windows 8 and apply the changes. And if this doesn't work, then try to use Windows 7 and make sure to also select change all settings and do the same here. Apply the changes, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you need to do here, open up your browser, and then you need to just on Google write framework.net, and then go on Microsoft page here and download the recommended version here. You can see here, we need to wait until I get the download button here, and it's not downloading, so I need to do it again. Probably it will work. Then if it's not downloading, then what you need to do here is to go here under the framework here, and then just you need to download this thing here, right? Save it to desktop, keep, and then you need to go to DirectX and also download DirectX here, and also Visual C++, and download these two files here as well, right? And after you do so, then on your desktop you should see files here, and what you need to do here is to install them all. Super simple step that you need to do here. So I accept agreement, make sure to deselect this button here, press next, and install all the files here. And after that you restart your computer and the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.